we've taken out the seats. We've built our first bit of the frame, which is behind us. How did you find doing that?
It was alright. No, the frame was easy, wasn't it? It was good. The frame was alright. Luckily, where Bunnings had cut down all the wood, that was good. Saved so much time.
Yeah, but now we've built the first little section.
Now we're just confused of how to do the rest.
Oh, and this was the sofa bed that we picked up for $30 yesterday. Rob, demonstrate. So this is the one that we actually found in IKEA. So this is actually in the back of our van. Yeah, so we actually saw this in IKEA, I think, yeah, in a previous clip. You'll see us laying on it. We found the exact same one. It's basically brand new.
On Facebook?
On classic Facebook marketplace, is it?
Yeah, Facebook Marketplace.
Such a classic, mate.
It's the place for deals.
And it's freaking $30. $30 and we've got the whole thing. We only really wanted it for the, what's it called?
This cushion.
Like cushion thing, so then we can fold it up in our van, like once we've actually built our whole frame.
Slopping
But we're like loving the whole sofa, because we've just taken it out of the van now. I was thinking, imagine just parking up on the beach, rocking up, everyone's getting sandy, we just drag this onto the beach.
That is the thing, is we need to keep this. How do we keep this?
I know, now we're just trying to find a way like to actually use it inside the van. So let me just show you what it all looks like. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is little frames. This is where our head's gonna be?
Yeah, probably, yeah, because your feet would be better down this side.
Yeah, so this is the frame for the first section. We're trying to keep these seats in the van.
And then we were going to basically have a bit of wood that sat on the top here that went all the way round.
So we're just
But
trying to
then
work
if
out.
we put it on hinges, it's about 200 long. So if we had 50s, then you could have 4 50s broken up into, like, so you have 2 sets of 100, and then break them down again into 2 50s each, put a hinge in the middle, and then you've got kind of 4 50s. Then if you didn't sit them on top, right, if you didn't screw them down, you could then fold them up into 50 and then just have them stacked up on top of that thing. So then it'll just leave all the space here, but obviously you need something to rest it on.
Yeah.
So that you don't just fall through the bed.
So we somehow want to keep these seats in, so when we want to chill in the van, we can actually sit in here, and then everything is just resting on this frame here, but we don't really know what we're going to do at the moment. So yeah, so that's our dilemma right now. We want to keep these seats in so we can chill in the van, so we're not actually having to be at the front seats. This is what happened last time. We built like a massive frame, just laid a slab of wood on top, like a sheet on top, and that was our bed, so we couldn't really do anything, take it in and out. So if it was raining, we was literally having to just sit in the front seats and eat our dinner.
Yeah.
So we're trying to make it a little bit more
Social.
practical.
Social.
What? Who are we inviting to the van?
Well, you could have your friends over, couldn't you?
Like
Just
your
all
pals.
just chilling on the floor, you know.
So we want to keep these seats in. So say if like we ever need 2 extra seats, or we have 2 passengers,
You could always share.
in case we make some friends, and we want to give 2 people a little like.
Yeah, or yeah, even if like, because that stuff you can just take out. So even if you wanted to move stuff around in the van, you could easily buy something, put it in there, have the seats still if someone needed to get in or whatever. I don't know.
But yeah, we've made our first bit. So we're making progress.
We are making progress.
But we're literally just been sitting here for I don't know how long.
Trying to work out what the next move is.
I think we need to YouTube some van life videos. But yeah, oh, let me get out. But yeah, this is so good. Imagine just being at the beach, or you just park up, Rob cooks me dinner, and I just chill here. How do you think about that, Rob? But yeah, so that's all we've done today. Well, we got rid of the mattress that we had in the back.
That was a win. Get rid of that.
Yeah,
I
was getting right on my nerves.
Everyone thought we were like Jippos, like trying to build the thing and take some mattress out and leave it up against the side of the car.
So I think later on today we're gonna.
Well, we basically are Jippos.
I think we're going to go back tonight, decide how we're going to do the second and third section. Hopefully if we get that done tonight, we can then go back to Bunnings and get the wood cut and then finish it off tomorrow, or get the second section done. We kind of have a time limit because so it's Tuesday now and we leave the Airbnb that we're staying at Friday. So I don't want to get rid of this sofa bed just yet in case everything fails. And then at least we could just open up sofa bed, innit? Okay guys, so it's the next day. It's now Wednesday. We've just been to Bunnings to cut up the what's it called?
Plywood. They're like sheet, the wood sheet from the top.
Yeah, so the bit that we're going to lay on. So we measured it all, we got that all cut up, and then we've just fitted it all together, and it actually fits. Yeah, and the good thing is we're keeping our sofa bed.
We get to keep the sofa bed.
We get to keep the sofa bed. So the next thing, we can now finally go Kmart shopping. Yay! Buy all our duvet pillows. And the next thing, like if we have to worry, is just like the space, how to fit our bags in. But we have got like a few gaps underneath.
Show me the gaps.
Yeah, hold on, I'll show you around. No. Alright, so this is it. So we've actually got 3 boards levelled up. And this actual, flip this forward a sec.
I'll pull this off.
Okay, yeah, you can pull it off so you can show. So this was what actually came with the sofa bed, this little mattress thing, but we're actually going to buy a separate mattress. Oh, it looks a bit wobbly. Okay, it looks a little bit like... It does actually work. It's just slipped down. So we've got 3 boards. That actually should be like that. And it's actually come down the other side, but we've just laid on it and it's fine. And this bit here, Rob, lift up this last bit. So we've got the frame that we built the other day, but we're taking the legs off. But we can actually use that to cook on, like we'll take it out.
Yeah.
That'll be like our cooking thing as well.
Well, sort of. It hasn't really got any legs, that's the thing.
But we can figure out something.
Yeah, have some legs in it.
Yeah. I was going to say do hinges, but I don't know if that works, like folded up. But yeah, so this is space here. They're the legs that we've taken out. So we've got all this space under here so our bags can slide in and out. Here at the moment we've got like the gas stuff, another table and 2 camping chairs. And then at the back, so we've got a tiny bit of space when we move this bit of wood. We've got a tiny bit of space here, but it's only going to be like this when this is like nighttime setup.
Nighttime configuration.
This is nighttime setup. During the day, it would just be like a sofa and 2 chairs, and these sort of woods would just be all stacked upon each other, like on.
And I've actually laid on it. It's alright.
Yeah, we've laid on it. We both fit, so it's all good. Now we can decorate the van and make it homely. We can go on to homeware shopping.
And we need a duvet.
Duvet, some pillows, maybe some fairy lights.
Where the bloody hell are we going to plug fairy lights in?
Round the edge.
Yeah, what's the electricity source?
Aren't they battery?
Well, you might be able to get some battery ones, but...
So our plan with keeping this sofa bed has worked out well. Happy?
Yeah.
Think our bags will fit?
No, I think so. I think it'll be alright. I'm pretty sure it will be alright.
Obviously we could make more use of the space, but we do have a bit of a time limit. And we
like the sofa bed.
We do really like sofa bed.
We wanted to keep some seats and we wanted to keep a sofa bed. So we managed to do all of that. And
yeah,
we're still good.
So yeah, that's the setup so far. I'll show you from here. We've just got to get rid of these. They're the 2 seats that we took out, so we just got to get rid of those. But I think it's going to work, so that's what it looks like. Rob, if you just move out the way a bit, yeah. So obviously we lose a little bit of space at the back, but we're sacrificing that so we actually get 2 more seats. And again, like, we're not going to actually be living in this for a full year like last time. It'll just be... we're going to be like going into apartments soon when Rob gets work. So this will just be used for like weekend trips, which is fine.
Yeah, that'd be good.
But yeah, let's go Kmart shopping now.
Come then.
We'll take you to Kmart. Alright guys, so we're now in Kmart. We've picked up, what have we picked up? A duvet, 2 pillows.
Show them the goods.
Oh, what we show?
Quilt,
So duvet,
2 pillows.
2 bamboo pillows. Our little duvet.
Some duvet cover set.
This is our extra little mattress. It's a mattress topper, but because we've got the other mattress thing that came with the sofa bed, we thought we'd get an extra thing, so we've got like double.
And then we'll get one of these. A big TV remote.
For our TV, yeah.
For the non-existent TV.
Now we're just looking at other things. Towels. How much are towels?
I think these are the towels. They're cheap. $10.
We need to decide how we're going to do... oh no, wasn't thingy cheap at IKEA?
Maybe.
I'm sure before... No, I think when we went IKEA before, I saw towels for like $3. I'm sure,
really? Maybe
yeah.
we'll go there then. Let's have a little look and see what these are like. We might have got one of these before.
That's quite big, isn't it? That's bigger than last time. Do a little catwalk.
Oh, wait. Let's see if I can do this.
Babe, I don't think that's it.
No ribbon.
I don't think that's
No
it.
ribbon.
That's actually bigger than before.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
How much is that? $3?
No, it's $6.50 I think.
Maybe we could get them.
1 metre by 1.8.
They're actually bigger.
Get some dark colours.
We need to sort out curtains as well.
Yeah. I'm gonna look for some material right here.
Are you getting that?
No, I'm just
Oh.
holding up.
Alright. Well yeah, so at least we've got our bed stuff sorted. Now we're just looking at extra bits and clothes. I want to look at the gym wear. Hey. Oh my god, Rob, look how cute this is. Hey. Oh my god, it turns on. It actually turns on. That's so cool. I was expecting water to come out then. Oh, this is so cute. Guys, we're in IKEA, in case you didn't realise. We are just looking for materials for our curtains in the van, so that's what we're just doing at the moment. And we've also been looking at all cutlery, plates and all that. So yeah, we're just trying to work out the measurements, what we need to cut it. And then, yeah, hopefully it'll all fit in the van. We've bought like little clips to clip this on to like a line. Not like a line, what is it, like a cord thing that we're going to clip this on. Yeah, so we're thinking navy blue. It'll match our little duvet set as well. So that's what we're doing at the moment. Yeah, actually we've got blue. We've got blue, navy blue one side. I'll show you, I've got it on my phone actually. Oh look, a rug. $5, Rob.
Get a rug. If you actually want a rug.
What don't you think? Or no? Or do you not think?
Well, I don't really know what you're planning to do with this rug, that's all.
Well, it's just so it's underneath the bed.
What colour do you want?
Henny. You're not getting carpet.
Yeah, what colour are you thinking?
Anything like navy, whatever.
Either navy or the red and navy, one of them two.
Yeah.
Not a fan of the...
Do you kind of understand what I mean, or are you just saying? You don't, do you?
No, I understand where you're coming from, but I'm not sure whether this would be a good solution to it, but I don't know what a good solution is, so this is probably a good...
Or leave it then, and then...
Well, no, because I don't think I'm going to think of a good solution, so this will probably be better than nothing. Like, two of them? Or do we want the navy one?
Yeah, like...
Do we want navy to match the curtains?
Do they even have navy?
No, let's put some in there.
Guys, we're just finished in IKEA. I don't even know how long we've been in here. Been here ages. It doesn't even look like we bought loads.
That's $95.
I know, $95. Yeah, we got most of the cooking stuff. I think we just need like a couple of bowls, a kettle. What else was there for cooking? That was kind of it really. Oh, and like 2 mugs. Or like, we don't really know if we want mugs or, what are they called?
Like thermos.
Yeah, that's it, thermos.
Travel
Like,
mug.
yeah, like a proper mug or like a thermos travel mug. We got our towels, we got...
To be fair, if we had one of them bottles, them insulated bottles, you could then just pour it into a
Oh,
mug.
yeah.
Give it a pop.
We got towels, we got dustpan and brush. We have...
Fairy lights.
Fairy lights. I can't think, but once we all make the bed, put all the bed, we'll do another little tour once everything's all in. Oh, and we also got material to make curtains. Oh, where we go? So yeah, so we're gonna need to see how they fit, and then we might end up getting some more. But yeah, so I think we got the majority, didn't we?
Yeah, I think so, hopefully.
So yeah, we'll let you know. We'll show you all around once it's all set up. But yeah, our van's a bit of a mess at the moment because we've still got the 2 seats that we still need to get rid of. Just chilling in the back. But yeah, we'll let you know and just give you a little tour once everything's kind of all put away and everything.